I apologize for fooling the people because I didn't even know myself. I just believed in that. Who am I talking about? I am talking about specifically TFT. TFT, for some reason, is now shut down. Not really shut down, but it's in development for 21 days. And I think they ain't coming back. Like, I'm being real. They ain't coming back. They're done. Especially for Henko Trade. A few people are having problems with Henko Trade. I believe they're still good, but would I come back now? No, because I already got my money. I don't need anything else. So that's my point of view, guys. I'm just going to state it out just for everyone. That Henko Trade, I think they will give you your money back because they gave me back my money. I don't know if they'll give it out a second time, but they gave it out a first time. So that's one. And two, TFT's into development. You can't buy anything. The account you have on there, I don't know what's happening, but I can still trade it. So that's cool. But yeah, everything's going crazy now. Everything's going crazy. But besides that, we in Thursday trades, guys. And I'm still using the account because I might as well use it. I have another account in funding pips already. It's only a 10K, it's a small one now because it's better building my mentality up. But besides that, I'm in this 25K account and I'm literally just using this, seeing what's gonna happen. Currently in the trade, I'm up to like $152 right now. Doesn't really matter at this point, but I just do it just because I like trading, one. And two, I might as well. Now there's no risk behind it. There's no point in me necessarily getting money out because it's gonna come out in 21 days, which I think they've shut down completely. I think that's just complete bullshit. I think they're just not coming back. Anyway, this is the trade that I'm currently in. I took a few other trades before. So I took these two trades here. The reason why there are two trades is because I was a bit impatient, not gonna lie. Price came out on the 20% deviation. So I was like, okay, price looking cool. And it's also, I think price is gonna go up, the overall bias, because I think it's in a range as well. So that's why I took a buy here. You can say a bit too early because price didn't really want to push through. So that's why I took out right here and I bought in again because I thought price was gonna do the same thing, but it didn't in the end. Later on, price poured down and I was like, okay, this is perfect opportunity just for me to buy in because the monthly open price and the liquidity grab here, I don't know if the liquidity grab is still valid or not, but I'm just gonna say that it's just the monthly open price is the reason why I bought in here, because sometimes price goes away like 8% away from the monthly open price and pushes up. So in this case, did the same thing. You know what I realized, guys? I realized as well that that's not the monthly open price. It's actually something that I use for my stop loss. So these are actually so irrelevant. So you can say I just bought this because I thought price was gonna still respect the area because it's only 8% out from the monthly open price. So I thought it was a pretty good area, still reasonable area. And so I took a buy and price is kind of paying off right now. I'm gonna hold this until price actually has a reaction here, which is the 50% retracement level, or if price has a reaction here, which I'm looking for a 50% retracement and comeback. So guys, what I'm trying to say is when price does this, I think price is gonna come back for a pullback, push back up. And if price decides not to break through here and push down a little bit, then I'm just gonna see what happens in this area here. Like if price decides to push down back here, then I'll probably just take out here. If price decides to push down back here, I may not make it down there, but if it does, I think price can also bounce off here. If price decides to push through, then I'm just gonna hold it and probably just trail a stop loss. And yeah, that's really like the original thought right now, because I think price is gonna make it to daily open, which is right here, daily open right here. And then price is gonna mess around because I believe this is the range. That's really it, guys. And I'll talk to you all when stuff keeps moving, like if I have any unexpected things happening. I completely forgot to let you guys know, but yeah, we up a bit. Right now, we're kind of floating in 250 profit. Risk only $60 in this one. I'm just trying to use my proper risk management and all that. Only probably take good trades on my other account. Yeah, I just want to either blow this account or pass it and then move to the next one, really. Just so I just get the mentality and the trading, all that stuff right. Right now, we're just looking at price right now. We got the push up here. What we're actually thinking price is going to do, we think price is actually going to at least push to pass daily open, probably even hit right here. The reason why I say price can move up like 50 more pips is because it's kind of in a range how it's looking on the 4 hour. Because we're on the 4 hour, we can see here, price decided to, this was once a downtrend, right? It was an uptrend, downtrend, just messing around. Pushed up, came back down. Pushed down, came back up. After it came down, tried to come back up again, couldn't come back up again, so it came back down. So during this whole time, price actually didn't make a higher high. So I was thinking price literally grab this on the 4 hour for liquidity and it's pushing up all the way to the upside to at least daily open, which we're gonna see and we're gonna hold because price can still reject from this area, but we're just expecting price to push up for now. And yeah, that's really it, guys. We're gonna do it and we're just gonna see what's gonna happen. If I take out right now, we would have beaten our previous profits of $400, and we're actually risking way less than what we did for that one. So for this, I can take out now and beat my profits, but I'm not even here for profits. I'm here for a good trade. So right now I have my stop loss down here pretty low because I believe price is going to reject this and push to the upside. If it shows me otherwise, then I'm going to hop out. If it shows me a different version, if it shows me that it doesn't want to do that, if it shows me that it wants to push down, if it shows me that it's still in a range, because on the 4 hour it's still in a range, then I'll just hop out. I'll be okay, but whatever, hop out the trade. But right now, I think price still has a chance to push up, and we're probably going for a 1 to 10, to be honest with you. This is just how price is looking right now. We're in a really good trade, really good area, and we're just going to see what happens. Alert right here just to let me know if price wants to just drill through. My stop loss should be around here because I just believe if price goes down this far down, it's not going to really push back up, or it could. But I'm taking the risk, and yeah, we're just going to see what happens. I'm going to be okay with probably not losing, but I'm going to be okay with having $100 less profit than missing out on $300 more. Think of it that way. Because right now I'm probably up $440, and at my 1 to 10, I could be up 1,000, something like that. I think it's probably like 700, 800. So what I've learned, like I said, from Sensei Jonas and the Market Wizard is holding your profits, and from Market Wizards, more cutting your losses, which I have been doing. I've just been backtesting a lot just to see what works for me, what doesn't work for me. And what I've realized is that I just gotta follow the strat, really. I forgot what I was gonna say, to be honest. I forgot everything. Anyway, the point is, we're up here. We're up probably like a 1 to 5. I'm guessing 1 to 5. We'll quickly check. Yeah, we're up for 1 to 5 right now. We can still see this hitting a 1 to 10. So we're just gonna wait, see what happens, see what price does. Yeah, price can push down a bit. It's probably gonna hit my alert soon, and if it does, it's okay. We think price is probably gonna reject around this area to the upside. We're just gonna see what happens, and if price decides to break through, I may take out. But even that, I'm gonna give it a lot of leeway. I'm gonna give it a lot of leeway because I want price to breathe a little. It pushed a lot. It's coming back down a little bit, and it's not even going with too much strength. If it comes with a lot of strength, I may take out a bit early because it's still in a range. We have to remember, it's still in a range. I'm just thinking price is gonna break out. Just gonna see what happens, and I would like price to push up and break out of this range, but we have no clue what's gonna happen. And this may be my only trade for today because you don't wanna really over trade right now. This is my second trade. I could trade extra. I think price has been good to me today. Let's take it and leave it. Let's go for Friday and let's get another dub. Let's go for 2 for 3. 2 for 3. Anyway, y'all. Catch you in a minute. I'll let you know what happens in like 30 minutes time because there's going to be news very soon, like in 19 minutes, it's going to be news. And we're probably going to hold it through just depending on how it is. If price is going up, we're going to hold it through because we think price is going to continue going up. If price is going down, we're going to take it out. We're just going to see what happens, guys. We're gonna see what happens. Well, I need to tell you some news, what happened. So I actually got a 1 to 4.3 right now, which is pretty good. It whipped me in. Came back up for the 50% retracement, and now I'm currently in a sell right now, and I just made a deal with myself. If price doesn't really move in the next 2 minutes, I'm just gonna close this trade and call it a day. Maybe if price doesn't push past this level here, I'll probably just call it a day because there's no news, and I don't think price has any will to push down anymore just because of how it's looking, and there's no more news. You know, news was probably kind of influencing this a bit. But for this, there's no more news, and I'm just like, you know what, let's just call it a day. It is what it is. And yeah, let's just see what happens. So I've taken out my trade. So now this has become a little something like this. So right now, guys, we can see clearly here that feels like price could still push to the upside. Really, we're just gonna keep it chill, keep it cool, collected, and we just got a dub here. We're gonna finish early, guys. We're not gonna keep hunting for any more because we're done. It was a good trade today, and that's all, guys. I kind of took a few trades over the time, like 6 trades today, but ended up in big profits, probably hitting $400. Not 400, probably hitting around 350, but minus all the L's, probably 250. So that's really it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Thursday. I thought Thursday was gonna fuck me up, but in the end, it gave me a really good opportunity. Let's hop back in the markets tomorrow, and I'll catch you all later.